Thank you for joining in today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on my weekly art lessons. And this time up, I have another product review. I'm going to be looking at some watercolor paper here, the Strathmore. And that is a large acrylic painting that I'm just going to be redoing in the watercolor. I have everything all set up there. And I'm going to give some thoughts here on the quality of the paper. On the packaging, it says Strathmore. The watercolor paper, it's cold press, the one that I picked up, acid-free, heavyweight, and it was the 140-pound paper. And I would say this is probably a middle-of-the-road paper. As far as quality goes, I've definitely used better, but anyone who does a lot of watercolors knows that, I mean, you can pay up to $50, $60 for some of those, like the bigger blocks. And this one I purchased off Amazon. It was less than like $15, so it was, relatively cheap. And the quality is good. It has a decent thickness to it, and I have my corners taped down there because with most watercolor papers they do buckle a little bit, but nothing dramatic on this one. It was really well, and there were no rips or tears or anything like that. And yeah, overall it was pretty good. No complaints. Definitely worth the $10-15 that it was. It's definitely cheaper on Amazon than like a major art dealer like Dick Blick or maybe AC Moore or something like that, Michael's, depending on where you live. Definitely cheaper on Amazon. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more art reviews and art lessons.